The 10th chapter of the book Get Set Goals is 100 Ways to Live. 1. A blind man may lack eyesight, but even he can have a vision. Draw a vision for yourself and work hard to get there. Set realistic and challenging goals. 2. Absorb all the good qualities from the people you meet. Everyone has positive traits. Be sure to make a note of it and incorporate the same in your daily life. 3. Always be thirsty for knowledge. Stay motivated and keep learning and gaining knowledge. 4. Always have an ethical approach towards your goal. Play hard but play fair. Remember that there are no shortcuts to success. Ethical ways will take you to your goal slowly but surely. 5. Always keep your eyes and ears open. We live in the information age. Information is flying in the air. All you have to do is be receptive and capitalize on the information. 6. Always stay calm and composed. It will streamline your thinking and help you take decisions quickly. Do not be disturbed by your internal or external environment. 7. Ask why for your every act you perform. This will protect you from wasting your time on unproductive activities and thoughts. Your answer to the question will align your actions towards your goals. 8. Ask yourself whether performing a certain task is going to take you closer to your goal or away from it. Focus on tasks that take you closer to your goal and discard those you take you away from them. 9. Avoid extremism and practice modernization. The secret to a successful life is balance. Balance your life by balancing your goals. Concentrate on each type of goal uniformly. 10. Be a leader and carve a way for others to follow. To be a good leader, you have to be a good follower. Remember to switch between being a leader and a follower according to the situation. 11. Be committed to what you do and never give up. Prepare and work hard at every task. Act gracefully under pressure and be known for your character. 12. Be content with what you have. This does not mean you set few goals. This means that you set goals that will lead to contentment. Do not overcommit to materialistic goals. 13. Be courteous to others. Greet people with smile. It radiates positively and forms a chain that makes many people smile. Communicate effectively to raise the quality of your life. 14. Be good to people and foster new friendships. Do not develop a relationship with the selfish thoughts of benefiting from their friendship. Be genuine and you will develop a network which is neither selfish nor materialistic. 15. Be patient with your efforts. Success is not an overnight phenomenon. A tree doesn't grow in days. It takes years to grow. Keep walking and slowly and steadily you will reach your destination. 16. Be punctual. It shows that you respect time. A punctual person respects his own time as well as others' time. A moment passed cannot be regained. 17. Be the change you want to see. Let the change start with you. When you start changing, it will have repercussions on your immediate environment.
18. Believe in the power of the spoken word. Your words will guide you and pave a path for you. Think about achieving your goals and talk positively every time. 19. Believe in the power of visualization. If you can see it, you can be it. Think of achieving your goals constantly and at the end, you will achieve your goals. 20. Channelize stress to improve your performance. Use deadlines as challenges and you will be able to meet your goals in time. 21. Concentrate on the activities at your hand for a better future. Do not let others' thoughts bother you when you are performing a task. Give every task your 100% and the result will be in your favor. 22. Consider yourself a student and not a master. When you consider yourself as a student, you can keep learning new things, but when you consider yourself as a master, your ego doesn't allow you to learn new things. 23. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to act in its presence. Pressure and negativity will restrict you from inching closer towards your goal. Be brave and fight hard. 24. Create a strong image of yourself and live up to it. When you create a strong image for yourself, it will motivate you to stay on the righteous path in spite of a few roadblocks. 25. Cultivate a sense of humor. It is often said that laughter is the best medicine. You can learn to laugh at yourself, but do not laugh at others. Laugh with others. 26. Dedicate an hour every day for personal development. Engage in any activity like exercising or meditating that improves your self-worth. 27. Developing discipline along with dedication will give you results. It will allow you to stay focused and help you concentrate on your goal despite distractions. 28. Do not be a slave of technology. Technology can be both your boon and bane. It can indulge you in unproductive activities or it can take you closer to your goals. Choose wisely. 29. Do not overthink. It will present you with unnecessary options that lead you nowhere. Perform the task once you have decided to do it. 30. Eat the right kind of food. Your body also works on the GIGO principle of computer. GIGO stands for garbage in, garbage out. Your body also reflects what you feel it. 31. Enjoy worldly objects but do not get trapped. Conquer your mind and desires. Only then you will be in true control of yourself. 32. Every day before you go to sleep, analyze your day and plan for the next. Notice where you faltered and make efforts to rectify those mistakes. 33. Every opportunity can be viewed as a threat or a challenge. Condition your mind to think about challenges and not threats. People will run away from threats but face and overcome challenges. 34. Everyone has some strengths and some weakness. Concentrate on the strengths of the people and overlook their weakness. 35. Focus on the answer and not on the question. Winners see answers in question and losers see the questions in every answer. Be a winner and focus on the answers. 36. Focus on the task and not the peripherals. Do not get lost in the illusion of rewards. You can use it to motivate yourself, but dwelling too much in the results can also prompt you to deviate from your task. 37. Go the extra mile. It is the extra that differentiate extraordinary from ordinary. Push and push hard to remove roadblocks and clear your path. You will achieve your goal easily with a little extra effort. 38. God has designed you for success and carved a path for you. All you have to do is spot the opportunities and engage yourself to attain your goal. Discover the path and follow the steps to success. 39. If you waste your time watching television, you cannot come on television. Manage your time well and keep on working towards your goal. 40. Indulge in an active lifestyle. Sluggishness and laziness will slow you down and resist your development. Active goals will result in active life. 41. It is an age-old saying, honesty is the best policy. Be honest to yourself and review your performance regularly. Be true in letting yourself know that you have failed at a particular task and set at your goal with a vengeance. 42. It is very important to stay fit. Without meeting your health goals, you cannot achieve other goals. Choose a program that suits your needs. Staying physically fit will allow you to stay mentally fit as well. 43. Just like you program a computer, you can program your mind as well. Positive thoughts will yield positive results and negative thoughts will yield negative results. 44. Keep building your willpower. Engage in self-discipline and curb temptation. Think without interruption for a long period of time and you will find answers to your questions. 45. Keep growing. True happiness comes when you achieve your goals. Once you achieve one goal, set another one and another one. There is always scope for improvement. 46. Keep negative thoughts at bay. They will tempt you, but you have to learn to stay away from their alluring call. Once negativity possesses you, it can ruin your life within a few days. 47. Maintaining a diary is a good way of conversing with yourself. It is a dialogue with the subconscious. It has the potential to unlock untapped areas of your mind along with serving as a good storehouse for your memories. 48. Make a habit to read before going to bed. Take out 20 minutes of your time to read every day and you will be amazed with the change this activity brings in you. 49. Make quality decisions and stick to them. You may come across many options, but the important thing is to take decisions and back them up. At every crossing, you will have to make a decision. Spending valuable time taking decisions will increase the distance between you and your goals. 50. Manage your time well. Everyone has 24 hours in a day, but the difference between successful and unsuccessful people is how they manage the 24 hours. 51. Nature's law states that efforts will lead to rewards. As you sow, so shall you reap. Your efforts will bear fruits. Be sure to protect your dream. 52. Never discount the power of your dreams. Remember, you can get what you want. Believe in your abilities and dare to dream. 53. Nobody is perfect. Perfection is a myth. Making mistakes is a part of life. It can be excused, but making the same mistake again and again cannot be excused. You have to learn from your mistakes and make sure you do not repeat them. 54. Nothing can stop you if you want to pursue your goals. Your willpower will guide you through the darkest phase of your life. Be ready to light the torch and you will find your path. 55. Nothing comes easy in life. There is no free lunch. You have to struggle. Your greatest struggle will become your greatest victory. 56. Notice the tiny things and appreciate simplicity. It will bring clarity to your goals. You will find pleasure in things that others take for granted. By practicing this, you will find yourself beaming with joy even upon witnessing a toddler's smile. 57. Our body grows old, but our mind stays young as long as you want it to be. Do not let physical barriers cripple your thought process. Stay young and energetic in your mind, and your body will support you in the pursuit of your goals. It is never too late. 58. Pay now and play later. You have to plant a seed first to enjoy fruits. There is no way you can eat fruits of a tree that has not been planted. 59. People have mastered the art of meditation and practiced it over thousands of years. Spend some quality time with yourself by meditating. Meditation has different forms. Praying is also a type of meditation. 60. People who do not have goals will not allow you to succeed. They will laugh at you and try to pull you down, but you have to be resilient. 61. Plan frequently. Keep an hour a week aside to review your progress and make plans for the next week accordingly. 62. Positivity has the power to overcome negativity. A single candle can light many others and conquer darkness. 63. Positivity is contagious. Always stay positive and associate with positive people. People have negative traits, but look out for goodness in people. 64. Push your limits a bit every day and eventually you will find yourself way ahead of your limitations. Just like increasing the poundage of weightage while exercising build muscles, pushing your limits will increase your strength and better equip you on the pursuit of your goals. 65. Relationships may be made in heaven, but they are strengthened on earth. People are your greatest asset. Make sure you value your greatest asset. 66. Remember that diamonds are made under pressure. 67. Replicate what successful people have done. The success formula is the same. You just have to follow it and apply it to your field of work. 68. Rise above hate and treat people to way you want to be treated. 69. Seek mentors and be one when you are ready. The wisdom you gain from your mentor will allow you to reap the benefits of your efforts without committing the mistakes that your mentor had to commit to gain that wisdom. 70. Set aside some time to gain knowledge. Books contain vast amount of knowledge which has been passed on for the generation. Choose your field and know all there is to learn. 71. Share your innate thoughts only with people whom you trust. They will give you the right guidance as they wish well for you. Do not share everything with everyone. 72. Spend time with like-minded positive people. If you are a fitness freak, spend time with other fitness freaks. Share your wisdom and learn from their experiences. 73. Stay close to nature. Plan your trips to places that have abundant natural beauty. Nature has a calming influence on our mind and body. Staying close to it can rejuvenate us so that we can work towards our goal with a renewed zeal. 74. Take a break. Do not let others control your life. Live your life on your terms and conditions. Taking a break will recharge you and renew your spirit. 75. Take calculated risks. If you do not take risks, you will not be rewarded. Calculated risk will minimize the prospect of failure and allow you to pursue your goals unhindered. 76. The day you stop dreaming, you stop changing. When you stop changing, you stagnate and you die. That is the end. Never stop dreaming. Keep moving forward in life. Do not stagnate. 77. The future belongs to those who dream big. Think without limitations and watch your imagination come true. Put a timeline to your dreams to turn them into goals. 78. The price you pay now is the temporary price for a permanent solution. Your efforts will definitely yield results. You just have to be patient and you will get your reward. 79. There is a direct connection between your mind and body. Your mind functions at an optimal level when your body is relaxed. 80. There is an immense amount of power in blessings. Perform unselfish deeds and you will be blessed for life. Try setting and achieving goals that will benefit you as well as others. 81. Think about what you want in life. Condition your body and mind to work towards your goal. Once you develop a habit of thinking about your goal continuously, your subconscious mind will do it regularly and you will attain your goals. 82. Think about your legacy. Think about ways you can contribute to the success of your family and the immediate environment. 83. Think before you speak. Many people speak first and then think about it. Always stay true to your words and fulfill your promises. 84. Time management will allow you to do things that you want to do. You will be able to achieve a balance between things that you have to do and things you want to do. 85. Treat people with respect and ensure that you are also treated with respect. No one has the right to insult you. Stand up once or lie down forever. 86. Trust the power of submission. Submit your senses to your goals and witness the magic. When you submit yourself to your goal, you will automatically spot opportunities that will lead you there. 87. Trust your life partner and maintain a healthy relationship. Talking with your spouse about matters that bother you is therapeutic. 88. Understand your body language. Your body language communicates a lot more than your words. Exude positivity by following good body language principles. 89. We are a tiny speck compared to the vast universe. Acknowledge this fact and don't let your ego take your decisions. Stay humble and grounded. 90. We are surrounded by noise. Everywhere there is a mobile ringing, music playing, car honking, someone yelling, etc. Visit a place that offers silence to reflect or review your goals. It can be a religious place or a place closer to nature. Silence is golden. 21. Wear clothes that reflect a strong personality. Certain colors are associated with certain characteristics. Choose your colors wisely and dress accordingly for the event. 92. When you are down and out, The only option you have is to get up. Every adversity has a seed of equal or greater success in it. You have to believe in yourself to achieve greatness. 93. When you go beyond the call of duty to make an effort, you are bound to be blessed. You will have people rooting for you, and that positivity will definitely yield results. 94. When you have a dream, you need to nurture. Do not let anyone take away your dream from you. Consider your goal to be your prized possession. 95. Work like a company. Every company has a mission and a vision statement. They perform SWOT analysis and make strategies to reach their goal. You should do that for your goals. 96. Work persistently and consistently. If you want a life with recurring rewards, then you have to work continuously. If you make an effort just once, you will be successful just once. 97. Write down 5 things that you should like to achieve if time and money were not a constraint. This is your dream. This is what you truly want. 98. You have the choice to be great. If you think that you are born to be great and set realistic goals, you will invariably get there. 99. You spend most of your time at work and your home. Decorate these places with positive signals. They will condition your mind to stay happy. 100. Your goal will make a huge difference in your life. A life without a goal is like a parked car. It lacks mobility. Set a goal, take charge, and drive the car towards it.